They're freshly hatched. About 2 days ago, it was just eggs. But now, there they are. All right, we'll watch the progress as we go. I'll probably take a filming every other day just to see how far they've come until they leave the nest. All right, I'm out. We're about going on at least 2 weeks old now. A week maybe. A little more. I forgot exactly when I first started recording them, but there they are. 3. Mom wants to come and feed them, but she's afraid of me. Let's see if she comes back. I'm gonna let them get back to their business. Alrighty, here we go. They're gone. In approximately 2.5, maybe 3 weeks at the most, those guys have grown up and flown away. All right. Adios.